Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. You know what? I'm going to pretend like I haven't been absent from my channel for over a year and just continue on like nothing happened, and I'm continuing right where I stopped. So, in today's video, I'm going to start for you this oversized black blazer. Honestly, black blazer, oversized one, has been on my wishlist for so long, and instead of buying one, I just decided that I'm going to use one that my boyfriend used to wear. As you can see, it's self-explanatory, it's quite oversized. I really love these shoulder pads. It adds a sort of an edgy element to this look, so I really love to play with these different style elements. When I'm wearing something more edgy, then I try to subdue this edginess by adding some elegant and classy details to the look. So I'm going to start first by wearing these really beautiful top, gorgeous turtleneck, sort of a sweater shirt, and I'm going to style it with these amazing Zara high-waisted trousers. These are definitely my favorite pair of cream trousers, and when it comes to bottoms, I have these Zara mules. I really love this mix of wearing everything in one tone from head to toe, and then you just pop on over it something in different tone, such as this black blazer. I believe wearing these neutral tones is always classy, that can never let you down, and this is just a look that doesn't have expiration date, if you like it. And yeah, you can see just how these two are super elegant, these pants and the top, and this blazer just gives some edgy vibe to the touch. It just finishes the look and makes it pop out and stand out even more. So yeah, I absolutely adore this one. Moving on to the next look, and it will be these really beautiful high-waisted black trousers. They are oversized trousers. I again adore them. These are the trousers that I actually bought last summer. Never ended to make a video about them, even though they were so long on my wish list. I really love this creasing and just how beautiful they are. I paired these black trousers with this crop sort of top. These trousers are from H&M. I believe top is from Zara. I really love this top simply because even though it is a cropped top, it still has this really beautiful and elegant neckline. So even though I styled these two with these white sneakers, I wanted this look to be quite sporty, quite comfortable, but yet I believe it has some sort of a chic element simply because of these high-waisted trousers and this top. Of course, the black blazer just finishes this look and makes it even stand out more. This is something that I honestly can't wait to wear during a warmer summer day, so this is something I definitely look forward to. I believe these sort of trousers can never go out of the style, and I'm definitely looking forward to acquire these sort of trousers in different tones, in cream, in white. I just love how they are so flawless, so easy go-to, and yeah, I can never get tired of styling something like this. So yeah, honestly expect to see a video of me styling these black trousers in one of my next videos. Moving on to the next look, and it would include these H&M trousers. Again, high-waisted trousers, but they have this ankle cut and they are having this balloony sort of design. So they're really spacious. I really love them because I honestly feel comfortable in them, and I decided to style it with this H&M a little bit sparkly top. Yes, I'm aware something like this is for those festive time of the year, but honestly you can always add a piece like this if you're going for a night out. I believe it is just gonna look absolutely amazing as I believe I achieved so in this look over here. The way how I styled it all is by tucking in this shirt inside the pants, and I popped on this black blazer, and what I did is I actually decided to cinch my waist. I'm wearing also black pumps, and I have to say that even though I'm wearing everything black from head to toe, I really love how this top is popping underneath this black blazer. So that is something that is really giving an element, a sort of a sparkly touch to your look. And so therefore I believe something like this you can wear easily for a night out, and this sort of a look again is so timeless, and that is something that I always try to achieve in my looks, to make them be wearable from season to season. Moving on to the everything white from head to toe, so that includes these white jeans. These are H&M high-waisted jeans. I really love them because they really have this fun ankle cut towards the ankle. It widens up a little bit, so I really love the design of these jeans. And I styled them with this simple white shirt, oversized white shirt. I believe you all have one in your wardrobe. There is nothing unusual about this look. I love wearing, as I already mentioned, everything in one tone from head to toe, so that is what I went after in this look. I have these white H&M sneakers, and you can see this is quite a no-brainer sort of a look, but I just wanted to show how black blazer can be styled with so many different pieces that we have in our wardrobe. So whether it is white jeans, cream pants, black oversized pants, like it literally goes so good with anything. So that is what I wanted to achieve in this look, just to give an example of one really simple, easy go-to look in which you're definitely going to feel super elegant, and yeah, I just love these super no-brainer, easy go-to looks. But of course, look like this can easily be elevated if you only pop on some white or black pumps. You're just gonna feel instantly elevated and a little bit more classier, I have to add. In this next example, I am styling for you this H&M skirt. This skirt is made out of that tweed look-alike material. I really love this skirt simply because it is high-waisted and it has that A shape, so it is going to add an elegance to your look instantly. I decided to style it quite simple, just with a simple white shirt. And I styled it quite simple with these knee-high boots, with a kitten heel. I really love these boots because they're so comfortable, and I have to say that I absolutely adore to wear mini skirts together with knee-high boots. I believe those two are like a match made in heaven. And on top I just popped on this black blazer. That is pretty much it. You can see again, like I just wanted to show how a black blazer can easily work with any mini skirt, simply because your skirt, as the name says, is mini, and an oversized blazer. Just that difference in the style is what makes this look stand out or pop out even more. So yeah, this is something that I absolutely adore to wear, of course when the time allows us. But in this example I haven't been wearing ties. Of course, if you want to make this look appropriate for a little bit colder time of the year, such as now, then you can just wear some pair of ties, and there you go. Next look would be the one I'm wearing now. I have to say that I absolutely, first of all, feel good while wearing something like this. Simple black high-waisted trousers with ankle cut, a little bit, like just a little bit spacious. I need to lose a kilo here and there for them to be a little bit spacious, as they are meant to be. But nevertheless, I just feel good while wearing these trousers, jeans, and I styled them with this crew neck, simple white shirt on top. As you can see, this black blazer. I just love to roll up the sleeves, and I styled this all with these Zara Muse and with my YSL purse, and that's pretty much it. This is one of those looks that I absolutely love to wear during the entire year, simply because I find them like the most simplest looks, but yet a look like this will never go out of the style. It is always going to be one of those staple looks, one of those looks that is part, I believe, most of our capsule wardrobes. And even though I'm wearing black, so black mules, black pants, black blazer with the standout white shirt, honestly, you don't have to wear everything black. If you have some cream blazer, cream pants, cream mules, go ahead, wear something like that, or beige, or yeah, any other tone that you prefer. I just wanted to add this example as just one of those reasons why black blazer, oversized black blazer is so good, simply because it yeah, just goes perfect with anything. Styling something like this will never let you down, so it's a perfect look for everyday go-to activities, or even if you just want to have this look for a night out. Instead of mules, go for a pair of sandals or pumps, whatever you like, and you're just gonna have yourself in elevated version of the same look. One of my favorite pieces that I absolutely love to wear during this transitional time of the year, but honestly even during winter when days are not so cold, when we're having a milder winter, I love to wear these sort of sweater dresses. In this case I have this H&M sweater dress, and I have to say again, I absolutely adore it, simply because they are just a no-brainer. A pair of some thicker ties or even leggings with a knee-high boots, coat over it, and you're ready for the day. So as you can see in this example, I'm wearing these black ties, black same knee-high boots, and I just popped on this black blazer. Something like this will never let you down. Keep that in mind, and honestly, a look like this can never go out of the style. Of course, you can also opt after a longer sweater dress. In this example, I just went after this mini one because this is the one I have currently with me. But yeah, sweater dresses during the winter season, autumn season, honestly, in this transitional time of the year is just the way to go. I believe investing into sweater dresses is the way to go. They're going to serve you from season to season, simply because if you're having a pair of, let's say, brown, khaki, cream, black sweater dresses, you can always wear them on repeat. You can style them literally the same way, and you're always going to be happy with your look, simply because they just can't do wrong. Moving on to the next example, and as you can see here, I'm wearing everything in the light blue tones. So I have these mom jeans from H&M, high-waisted with the ankle cut below, and I have this shirt that I again took from my boyfriend's wardrobe. It is really beautiful light blue striped shirt. So I styled this shirt with these pants by doing a half tuck, and I'm wearing these black Zara mules on top. I just popped on this blazer. Again, really simple look. What I wanted to achieve in this look is just to show you how black blazer again can be styled with literally anything. You can never do wrong, honestly, with black blazer. I simply cannot see how I can style black blazer wrong, just because they're so universal and go so seamlessly with anything, and they're just going to elevate your look and just add that sort of edginess into your style. So yeah, I believe the way how I style this is just looking so simple. You can wear this for any everyday occasion. If you like to elevate this look, of course you can opt after a black pumps. Again, you're perfectly ready for a night out as well. So a look like this is definitely something I am going to wear during warmer spring days. And we are approaching the final look. In this look, I'm wearing these Zara sort of a medium waist leather pants. They're again having that ankle cut, and I'm wearing on top this really specific blouse. This blouse was from H&M. I really love this neckline. It is so unique, so distinctive, and there is definitely that accent on this blouse. And I'm wearing these black pumps. I really love how this look is elegant, but yet again the main accent is on this beautiful neckline that pops out and makes this look stand out. Even though I am again wearing everything black from head to toe, I again used different textures and different style elements, especially the one that I found in this blouse with this beautiful neckline. So I believe if you opt after something black from head to toe, it doesn't have to look boring at all. As I've already shown in two of my examples, I love wearing everything black from head to toe, but I always try to add some sort of something different that is going to make the look stand out even more. And I really love how this look turned out to be. I'm just sorry that this sun was playing with me all the time while recording this video, so I hope it didn't ruin it for you. So yeah, it's really interesting to play with the different styles, and yeah, look like this again you can wear for maybe work, maybe for a night out. It's all up to you. With all this said, I want to finish with how oversized black blazers just add a sort of a difference to your look. They add a sort of edginess to your style, or also depending on how you style them. If you're wearing something elegant, they're just going to make a look a little bit subdued, because you don't want everything to be like extremely like elegant. You want always to have a mix of different elements, and therefore oversized blazers are playing the perfect role. So yeah, girls, this will be all of the looks that I prepared for you today. I really hope you enjoyed these looks that I prepared for you. I'm a little bit sorry for the sound that was playing with me all along during this video, but yeah, expect to see much more videos from now on my channel, as I intend to dedicate myself to doing this. So yeah, that will be it for today. I hope you're all having a nice time of the year, and I see you in the next one. Bye!